what do you do if your seller insists on using their attorney in the transaction? Then let them. If it's a really good deal and all they want to do is use their attorney to close it, make sure that the attorney uses your documents. If there's a question in that about your documents, answer them. If it's something you can give in to, do it. I don't have a problem. I'm just telling you that, gosh, in 22 years, I don't know at this point, 600 plus transactions, I've never one single time had to close with a seller's attorney. They just, as a rule, don't care. And I have had some sellers say, well, I want to run this by my attorney. And there have been a couple of times that got shot down. And there have been a few times that the attorney told them don't do it, and they did it anyway. Because my question is, if somebody comes back to me and says, well, my lawyer said don't do this. It's okay, well, is your lawyer going to make your house payment while you're trying to sell it? That works well with agents too. My real estate agent said not to do this. Well, okay, is your agent going to buy your house? Are they going to make your payment for you? Because, you're a few payments behind now. So you want the bank to take the house? I mean, that's going to be my next question too. So.